Hi there. I'm chalk. Not a marker, not a pen, just a simple piece of chalk. And let me tell you, life's not easy when you're small and white and break so easily. At first, I was long and shiny, like a superstar. Teachers loved me. Students watched me write big letters on the board. A for apple, B for ball. Oh, I was famous. But then, snap! One day, I broke. Now I'm just a small piece. A little white stub. And guess what? Nobody wants the small piece. They say, it's too short. It hurts my fingers. Well, excuse me. I still write perfectly. Worse than that, people drop me. Every single day. I'm just lying there like, hey, I'm down here. But no one cares. They pick another chalk and walk away. So rude. Oh, and here's the weirdest thing. Some children try to eat me. Yes, eat. Do I look like a candy? No. Do I taste like chocolate? Definitely not. But they still chew on me. Ugh, kids. Please, I'm for writing, not for biting. Still, I love the board. I love writing poems, math problems, and funny drawings. Even if I'm small, I'm proud. Because even the tiniest piece of chalk can teach the biggest lesson. So next time you see me, don't throw me away. Don't eat me. Just hold me with care and let me shine. One more time.